Hello, I hope you're having a good day. I made a video about IK multimedia, Amplitube and a looper, how to use it. I've got some questions about what do you need and how to do the setup. So I'm going to explain to you briefly what you will need. So the requirements are: you need an audio interface which has external control, or it may be named differently, expansion or something like it. So you will need an audio interface which has the connection. But this is a place where you have to plug the switch, which you will need. It may have one or two switches. If it has one, the cable is mono. If there are two, you will need a cable which has TRS, so it has two, like a stereo cable. So you practically plug it into your external control. And that's the first step. And to explain a little bit, this is just an ordinary on-off switch, so it's on, off, on, off. Same with this one. Okay, so now I have opened the Amplitube, and first thing you have to do is go to your audio interfaces settings. Mine is XIO, so I go to XIO control panel. And there you need to find where the controllers are being set up. So mine has here in the controller section, and I have already assigned an expression pedal and a double switch. You can assign it from here. Is it a single switch or double switch, or is it an expression pedal? So I have a double switch, and I have to put it into momentary. This is on-off switch, on-off switch, and I have to put it on momentary. Don't care about the CC numbers. Now you have set up the switch itself. And now your foot switch is set up with the audio interface. You have to set it up here in Amplitube, so you have to go there. Settings, control panel. Click on it a million times, it doesn't seem to work. Okay, here we go, and control change. In the loop 1, I'm going to clear it now because I have done it. Basically, you just click on it, learn, and press this foot switch. Now you have set it up. If you have two switches, you can assign, for example, global play for it, or to it. You can see there has to be some numbers here, so it's been assigned. So now your foot switch 1 is working with looper 1, and the second one is just a global play. At this point, everything is set up, so please have a look at my other video which I have done before, so I'm not going to do it again, but I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.